mangiyo checka lapha ngiyo consult basho ukuthi wena bafuna ukukuthebula ne but amadlozi wakho bakushaya isichitho at the same time because of awubanaki which ngihlezi ngithuke mangizwe sound like ngiyajumpa yabo because ish bengisekho right but I never thought ukuthi ngizoba right ngasho ukuthi nasekhaya basave yimi the way ngiprayer ngakhona 1000 uthatha 300 ngithatha 700 but that day he took more imali eningi edlule yami
in mom confronter
he was like uyahlanya wena ngiyagibelisa waka in yabo yeah but otherwise he passed yeah cause into engayisho ene beka manager umunye umjida bathi uMakandoyi
okay
yamazi uMakandoyi lo mfana omncane ukhuluma kakhulu